Are you ready to explore the amazing world of the coolest machines and smartest tools? We promise you pure satisfaction. So sit back, relax, and get ready for something extraordinary. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It'll make our day. This top-notch trimmer turns him into a bush tamer. Trust me, you'll keep coming back to watch this again and again. Ready for some laser magic? Turn any building into a dazzling laser show with this compact gadget. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing magic trick. This process is not only mesmerizing to watch, but also super beneficial for flowers. It cleans the petals, allowing them to grow without rotting. Who's ready for the perfect juicy piece of lean meat? Dinner is served. Check out this incredible process, resulting in a sleek, fresh metal coating on these discs. Take a look at this amazing magnet. It's unbelievably cool. Hold on, you're definitely going to love this. Witness the power of a saw that can tackle a giant like this with ease. You'll never guess what this powder turns into. Impressive, right? With this nifty gadget, even the largest items get perfectly packaged in no time. This three-wheel vacuum is here to deliver a message to all that clutter. It's cleanup time. Get ready for a whole new level of satisfaction with this mode of transportation. Watch out, you might find yourself hypnotized by this process. Unbelievable. Here comes an entire packaging line for hoodies, and you're about to get the perfect one. Your flawless vase will be ready in just a second. This slicer is a real powerhouse, slicing through 250 pieces every minute. Seriously impressive. Just picture yourself running this machine. The excitement it brings is truly motivating. These pressure washers pack a punch, blasting away even the most stubborn dirt with ease. This machine lets workers securely fasten treads to tires in the most satisfying way imaginable. But behold, this system brings forth brand new tires! Watch as this bus effortlessly assembles and rearranges barriers like bowling pins. Warning, your appetite might soar after watching this video. Prepare to be astounded by the limitless capabilities of lasers. It's nearly impossible not to get hooked on this. It's nearly impossible not to get hooked on this. Check out this scorching wind spring. Absolutely fascinating. With just one swipe through this device, the cable sheds its insulation. It's mesmerizing to see how effortlessly this press assembles hammers. Observe as this machine meticulously carves layers of wood to perfection. My street definitely needs these machines like yesterday. Let's be real, there's something oddly captivating about watching molten metal, isn't there? I think you're ready for a peek behind the scenes of the captivating process of pasta packaging. Wouldn't it be sweet to have this assembly line in your own home? Am I alone in spending hours at the stove only to burn pancakes when machines can do it better and faster? Who wouldn't want to own this slick pants wrangler? Check out this action-packed scene, all to protect the soil from diseases. You'll be amazed by how this material transforms as it passes through these machines. Foam mattresses are just mind-blowing. It's incredible to witness the mechanized process an egg undergoes before hatching a chick. This machine is a real gem, and trust me, I'm not lying.
Did you know it takes thousands of feet of thread and these machines to make a single towel?
I used to think stickers were applied by hand, but boy was I wrong.
Get ready for an adrenaline rush! These machines may be pricey, but the results are worth their weight in gold. Witness the impressive power of this meat grinder. It churns out 3 different textures of minced meat simultaneously. Isn't it amazing to see a tool bend metal like clay? To grasp the sophistication of this machine, just look at the intricate pattern it carves with water power. When the tiny flame tried to extinguish, but this guy's way was cooler. Hit the like button if you believe nothing beats the precision of hand-laid bricks. Who knew bullets were made as swiftly as they fly out of the barrel? That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to comment and let us know which machine impressed you the most. And please subscribe and leave a like. It helps us bring you more content. Until next time, take care.